I think could turn to deeds and dreams could all come true, and the summer sun would always shine and skies would all be blue. We'd then be living in dreamland where children and puppy dogs play. Someday we'll have to wake up, our dreams would turn to clay. So dream, dream while you've got the chance, worry about things to come. Soon there'll be a step behind you and the wind of change will come. Well, the wind of change is hard and cold, reality is her name. Comes up fast behind you, takes away your childhood game. Then you'll learn of hardships, of wars where people die. The wind of change has got you going, you sit down and start to cry. So dream, dream while you've got the chance, don't worry about things to come. Soon there'll be a step behind you and the wind of change will come. Things take place when a child grows up, makes dreaming a thing of the past. And some of the things we teach them, well, it's hard for kids to grasp. Years come and go and the years start to show, and soon you'll be a man. You'll never know what happened to all those childhood plans. So dream, dream while you've got the chance, don't worry about things to come. Soon there'll be a step behind you and the wind of change will come. Now we've done our share of dreaming and we've even learned the truth. So take a look around you with the children playing there. Their minds are happy and their faces gay as they play in the summer sun. But way off in the distance a wind of change will come. So dream, dream while you've got the chance, don't worry about things to come. Soon there'll be a step behind you and the wind of change will come. So dream, dream while you've got the chance, don't worry about things to come. Soon there'll be a step behind you and the wind of change will come. So dream, dream while you've got the chance, don't worry about things to come. Soon there'll be a step behind you and the wind of change will come. Pull yourself over to the window here, boy, and I'll tell you another story. A step behind you, boy, and the wind of change will come. So dream, dream while you've got the chance, don't worry about things to come. Soon there'll be a step behind you and the wind of change will come. So dream, dream while you've got the chance, don't worry about things to come. Soon, boy, there'll be a step behind you and the wind of change will come. The old man sat beside the fire, reliving his life in dreams. His mind went back for many years to his youth and to his teens. The days he walked behind the plough while he smiled as he recalled the warmth of the sun upon his face and the chills of winter's cold. He was a true son of the soil, he was a country-loving boy. He made his living in green grass and the country was his joy. He loved to wander by the stream that flowed wild and free, to linger where the trout rise to the fly, just to listen to a lamb newborn, to gaze upon a field of corn. These were the things he really did enjoy. He was a true son of the soil, he was a country-loving boy. He made his living in green grass and the country was his joy. like those city lights, they held no joy for him. His mind couldn't take all that noise. Yes, he'd rather sit beside a tree and watch the sun go down. These were the things he really understood. He was a true son of the soil. He was a country-loving boy. He made his living in green grass and the country was his joy. But now he's in the twilight of a rich and happy life. But don't think for a moment that he's sad. For all the love he gave his family now is coming back. His way of life has paid off to the end. He was a true son of the soil. He was a country-loving boy. He made his living in green grass and the country was his joy. He was a true son of the soil. He was a country-loving boy.